I wore blue lipstick today because go blue.
All right, once everyone is getting on, make sure you're on camera and on mute.
Ah, damn it.
You're
Sorry.
okay. It's an exciting day, so I'll let that one slide, Amanda. For my lovely prod team, can you guys like help take attendance while I get everything set up?
Sorry, we can't do that at all. You're on your own, buddy.
Also, just in case anyone needs to get their materials last second, you need 2 sheets of paper and a writing utensil. Thank you, Francisco. Waiting on a couple more. We'll give everyone a couple minutes.
AJ, we need 2 pieces of paper?
Yes, correct.
Thanks, Daddy. Sorry, I'm definitely Applebee's drunk. Is it okay if I take this and just rip it in half?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Oh. Okay, thanks.
Like in like more equal halves, ideally.
There's on. We're waiting on a couple more. We're going to give everyone a few more minutes. And Malcolm's trying to download it. Still waiting on Kitty and CLC. Okay, got Kitty, so I think we're just waiting, and we got Malcolm. So I think we're just waiting on CLC.
Who are we waiting on, AJ?
Just CLC.
Oh, okay.
So I know he said he's running a couple minutes late.
Can you see me okay now? Because it's
Yes.
really dark out. So I tried to find some light.
We can see you, Jessica.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Awesome. Okay.
You see me?
Yes, please stay muted. Mhm. Right. I think we got everyone here.
Hey AJ, hey production. Sorry, I was late.
Yeah, Landon, what's up?
No worries. Sorry, I'm just gonna grab 2 pieces of paper and a writing instrument. Give me 1 second. Sorry.
Okay, no worries. Once you're good, then we'll start the competition. If everyone has their 2 sheets of paper, great. If you don't have them, now would be the time to grab them.
I'm not home right now, so like I don't have that portfolio. So
Oh no, I'm getting
should I
paper on my back.
scoot out?
That's it. Yeah, that's okay, Malcolm. If you want, just like
And a pen.
it's up to your discretion. But thank you for letting me know.
Okay. I'm gonna go. Please don't target me because I'm not home. Thanks. Good luck with the HOH comp, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, Malcolm. I'm gonna wait.
Hey, who are you? Why are you in my apartment? Yeah, no. You need to leave. Stop. Do not come any closer. Put the hammer there, please. What do you want? You want money? What do you want? Please. Oh my God. Ah!
Landon.
So you're just gonna like Landon was part of some dumb little clue twist, wasn't he?
So, house guests, it appears as if Landon has died, unfortunately. We put him in the game from last season to help cause chaos, but it looks like chaos just came back to bite him. However, the game must continue. We understand that this is a very sudden and tragic death, and it is very alarming, house guests. However, know that the law enforcement officials that did arrest Big Brother All-Star Christmas Abbott are on their way to the chateau and will be on the case. In the meantime, we must proceed onward. It is time for the first HOH competition of the season.
Wait, so just want to be clear, like he's done, like he's not a player.
Jordan, can you please mute while I go over the rules of the competition, please? Thank you.
Sorry, I'm drunk.
So we hope you've paid close attention to the Night 1 festivities. To honor the memory of our fallen comrade, Carl Landon Clark, this competition is called All Clark and No Bite. And here's how it works. Each round, we will list 2 statements consisting, we as in I will list 2 statements consisting of things Landon said, behaviors he exhibited, and observations about his stay at the chateau while he was in the game. Your job is to determine whether the first statement occurred before or after the second statement. When you've determined your answer, you will hold the piece of paper up to the camera. Well, first the answer to your chest. So let's say, for example, this is like the receipt of my ballot, but if you put before here, you would put it to your chest so that no one sees your answer. And then once the answers are locked, you may not change your answer. I will then do a countdown, a 1 or 3, 2, 1 reveal. You will then flip and reveal your answer. Answer correctly, you stay in the game. Answer incorrectly, and you will be eliminated. The final house guest standing will become the first HOH. If there is a tie, we do have a tiebreaker question. Does anyone have any questions? You can unmute for any questions.
So we're writing before on one and
Yep.
after.
Everyone can now write before on one sheet of paper and after on the other. Again, I want to remind everyone when you're selecting your answer, make sure you're holding the side with the answer to your chest so that no other player can see what you are answering.
And please write clearly and legibly so we are able to read your answers when you hold them up to the camera.
If you are eliminated from the competition, we ask that you exit the Zoom so that production can keep track of everything. Once a winner is crowned, we will announce it in the house chat. All right, and then to make sure everyone's good, just give me a thumbs up that you are like ready to go in this competition and make sure that I can see everyone. So Amanda, thank you. Johnny, thank you. Francisco, thank you. Andrew S, thank you. Lana, thank you. Andrew R, thank you. Patrick, thank you. Gigi, thank you. Anwar, thank you. Duncan, yes. Jordan, yes. Jessica, you good? Are you ready to go?
Sort of. My pen isn't really working, but
That's
I
okay.
think I'm okay.
Okay. And then Kitty, are you good? Are you ready?
Yes, what was I supposed to do? A thumbs up? I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, thumbs up when you were ready. Do you have before and after written on both
I
sheets of
do
paper?
have it written on a piece of paper. I do not have a thumb. I can give you this thumbs up.
Yes, thank you, Kitty. All right. So with that being said, you will also, I will give you 10 seconds to lock in your answers. So I will read the question twice. After the second time I read the question, I will start counting down from 10 and you will hold up the piece of paper to your chest. Cool. All right. So question 1. In Landon's cast intro, did Landon first wear an orange and blue plaid shirt before or after first wearing a pink floral button-up? I'll repeat it one more time. In his cast intro, did Landon first wear an orange and blue plaid shirt before or after wearing a pink floral button-up? You have 10 seconds to hold up your answer to your chest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answers are locked. Everyone reveal and hold it up to your camera so we can see. Jessica, can you hold it up a little bit?
I'm trying, but it's not working.
What did you put?
Stopped. I put before,
Okay.
but my pen isn't working.
All right, everyone hold them up. Keep holding them up. All right, so the correct answer was before. Keep holding them up, keep holding them up. So the people that need to leave the Zoom call are Andrew S, Lana, Gianna, Anwar, Duncan, and Jordan. Sorry guys, you guys got it incorrectly. Please leave the Zoom call. Everyone else can reset. I'm hoping the rest of production is keeping track of this for me to make sure that everyone got it wrong. Leaves.
Yep.
Let me know when we're all good.
We're good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. All right. Question 2. In the official Padlock 2 intro, Did Landon give us a wink before or after holding up one finger to his lips? I'll repeat the question. In the official Padlock 2 intro, did Landon give us a wink before or after holding up one finger to his lips? You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone reveal. Jessica, can you clarify what that is?
Other one after.
Okay.
I put after.
The correct answer was after. So Amanda, Francisco, and Andrew step down, aka leave the Zoom call, which means we are down to Johnny, Patrick, Kitty, and Jessica. One of you is going to become the first head of household.
Oh, I think Jessica left
Okay.
on
we'll get-
accident.
Oh, you good, Jessica? Yeah. Okay. We didn't see
Oh,
you.
okay. Sorry.
All right. Question 3. Did Landon suggest everyone make an OnlyFans for themselves before or after outing Lana for posting a public diary room confessional? I'll repeat the question. Did Landon suggest everyone make an OnlyFans for themselves before or after outing Lana for posting a public diary room confessional? Start counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on.
We don't have Jessica on cam.
Jessica, we need you to come on camera.
Okay, perfect. All right, everyone reveal. Jessica, is that your before or after?
I messaged you so that it wouldn't look like I was cheating.
Okay.
But I put after. That's what I
Okay.
was doing because I didn't want it to look like I was just picking what they picked.
Yep, I appreciate it. We had 2 people for after, 2 people for before. The correct answer was after, which means the last 2 people left in this competition are Jessica and Johnny. Patrick and Kitty, please step down.
Do you want me to do that again so that way it doesn't seem like I'm looking at the other person's?
Just stay on camera.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Johnny and Jessica, one of you is about to become the first head of household. Question 4.
Let's go.
Did Landon type 3 titties, 5 kitties in the house chat before or after suggesting an alliance of everyone under 29 years of age? I'll repeat the question one more time. Did Landon type 3 kitties, 5 kitties in the house chat before or after suggesting an alliance of everyone under 29? I'll start counting, but if I see both of you hold it up, I'll stop the countdown. 10, 9, 8. Okay, y'all were quick on this one. All right, both of you can reveal. Jessica, which one is that?
I put after.
Okay, you both put after. The correct answer is after. Both of you move on to the next question. All right, question 5. There are 10 questions, by the way, before we get to the tiebreaker. I don't know if I stated that earlier. Question 5. Did Landon tell AJ to invest in a better microphone before or after sarcastically calling the hidden vote twist original? I'll repeat it one more time. Did Landon tell AJ to invest in a better microphone before or after sarcastically calling the hidden vote twist original? Jessica, we lost your camera again.
Jessica keeps going into her Skype chat, so we
Okay.
don't think she's just saying when
Okay.
Johnny shows up.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just don't want it to look like I'm cheating. That's all.
Okay, I'm not looking at Skype, so thank you.
I
All
can
right.
go like I could flip second if that makes it easier.
You-
Because I'll
Okay,
both
that's
flip it.
fine.
All
Oh.
right. So
Or whatever, yeah.
You both can now reveal.
Mine says before.
All right, so you both put before. The correct answer is before. Both of you move on to the next question.
Well,
Question 6. Did Landon add everyone to a group chat titled Vote the Roaches and Liars Out before or after adding everyone to a group chat titled Eliminate the Roaches and Liars? I'll repeat it one more time. Did Landon add everyone to a group chat titled Vote the Roaches and Liars Out before or after adding everyone to a group chat titled Eliminate the Roaches and Liars? Are you both ready? Okay, you both can reveal.
before.
All right, so
Ooh.
one of you put before and one of you put after.
Oh shoot.
The correct answer was before. Congratulations, Jessica. You are the first head of household
Congrats,
of the
Jess.
season.
Thanks.
You will. We will put this in the house chat, letting everyone
But
know that you have won.
Landon was our biggest target. What's gonna happen now?
We will put in the house chat that you have won. You will have
Sweet.
until Monday at 10 p.m. EST to make your nominations. Until then, you guys can enjoy the rest of your weekend however you would like to.
Cool.
And
All right, thank
have a great rest of your
you.
night.
Bye.
Congrats, Jess.
Thank you.